we will not go wrong anywhere. But if somebody is not understood it, we would like to showcase what the whole interest is. When you want to showcase it as an iconic where our sacrifices were held, आमचे ज्या लोकांनी sacrifices केल्या ते जगाक समज पळोवपाक जाय that their destination as आमी जे केला through central funds, we need to ensure that operation and maintenance also is there. This operation and maintenance जो खर्च आसा त्या मनशाक आमी आज व्हडलो सरकार पयशे घालचो ना, पयल्यान तो आमकां पयशे दितलो. ताच्या खातीर जे पयशे येतले मेंटेनन्साक प्लस इफ वी प्ले द गव्हर्नमेंट, it is very important that we ensure that we have right type of people coming there. So to facilitate, if anything is done, we have to be clear that museum area and the jail area, where we respect the sentiments of freedom fighters, are not done, nothing is done. Food court area जी demarcate केली, activities जे कोणी आले फाल्यां G20 असतले, you will cater them for G20 to showcase our sacrifices of freedom fighters. तांकां फाल्यां थंय समज खंय हे करपाक जाय, रिफ्रेशमेंट्स आनी बाकीचे दिवपाक जाय. Food court area is demarcated.
So is it a food court area?
It is a food court area.
No liquor.
And the reception area, which has been there to host people who are coming from various parts of the country and internationally to see what our Aguada photo things of like this are there.